Hello all. Today I'm going to explain you on the variables and data types on the Python basics, and this is the new playlist which I'm been creating it. So what is Python? So why this has been used? Like Python is used, so it is used to process the data, and it is also the self-type programming language. So let me start with the thing. So a is equal to 10. So all plus enter. So what is the type of a? It is the integer. So I'll give b is equal to 56.32. Shift enter. So type of b. So this is a floating point. So c is equal to Sujay. Example. So it's a double quotes. So type of C. It is a string. So D is equal to, I'll give a single quote, Sujay. Shift enter. Type of D. So if it is double quote also it is string, and single quote also it is a string. So next I'll go E is equal to 4 plus 5J. So what is the type of E? It is a complex number. So this complex number will have 4 will be the real number and 5 will be the imaginary number, where it takes in the square root of -1, where -1 is the iota we call. So let me just mention that I dot real 4, okay? E dot imag, so 5 is the imaginary number. So let me go to the other example. F is equal to true. So type of F is a Boolean. So another example is arithmetic operation, true plus false. So 1. So true will be the 1, false will be the 0. And this is the called as the auto typecasting. So I'll give as 10 into false. Next 10 into true. And this Python is a case sensitive programming language. So next is the let me G is none. None, what is basically none? It is the no numbers data types. So if I give B is equal to G, then it is a none type. Let me take you to the other example, like I will explain you on the memory part. So A is equal to 10. So ID of A is, this is the value for the memory allocation. So if B is equal to A. So ID of B. Then A is equal to, so these two values will be the same thing. Next, B is equal to 20 and A is equal to 10. So ID of A is, this is the value, memory allocation. So ID of B is this one. So we have different memory allocations for this. Next, we'll go to the type conversion. So A is equal to 10. So type of A is integer. So if we are converting it, okay, convert to float, example. Convert to float. So float of A, it's 10.0. So if we are converting it to string of A, then we are converting it to A. So if we are converting to complex of A, then 10 plus 0 0. So the next is the, if A is equal to, example, Sudha, okay, and B is equal to string 30, integer 30, okay. So type of B, if we are going, it is a string. Next, if we are converting into integer of B, 30. So float, if we are converting it, float of B, we are converting. So it is getting converted. So if we are converting this A, if we are converting A to some other, example, float of A, so we are not able to convert this. So everything cannot be converted, only certain things can be converted, okay. Next will be the floating point precision issue. So basically 0.1, 0.2, 0.1 plus 0.2 ideally it should be a 3, but it is giving a bigger value, like larger value of it. So if you want to check this, 0.1, 0.2 is equal to 0.3. Let me check. Okay. So okay, this is an invalid syntax. It is asking. So this is a false. So if you are doing any mathematical calculations, like mathematical function, so we have import package like import math. So input math is math.py example. So this is the value. So math.exponent dot e. This is the value. Next, math.radians. So math.radians 50. We should pass the value for this. Next, math.sine 15. So where next is math.floor. So math.floor math.py. So this is the value. Next is math.isClose. So 0.1 plus 0.2 0.3. It is true. Next is math.cos 40 34. So this is the value. So next math.log. So this is the value. So this is all about the data types and variables. Thank you.